This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock absorbers replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Push the hood safety latch to your left, then raise the hood. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Raise the rear of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Remove the appropriate rear wheel. Open the luggage compartment and remove the carpet trim fasteners, then pull the carpet trim down and out of the way. Remove the shock absorber upper mounting nuts. Detach the stabilizer bar link from the rear lateral link to allow a little extra movement. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting nut and bolt. Remove the bolt securing the rear lateral link to the rear knuckle assembly. Remove the shock absorber coil spring assembly. Guide the assembly up into place and set the bottom of the shock absorber in the rear lateral link. With the upper mount studs aligned with the holes, push the shock up through and start the nuts. Tighten the upper mounting nuts to the specified torque settings. Install the rear lateral link to knuckle bolt and nut. Align the shock with the hole in the lateral link, then install the bolt and start the nut. Install the stabilizer bar link bolt and nut. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque settings. Reinstall the carpet trim. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear shock absorber. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels.